Welcome to Chef Food Channel viewers. How are you? In today's video, I'm gonna show you various style tea set, latest modern style tea set, dinner set designing ideas for newly prepared kitchen, for newlywed girls. These designs are for the person who is watching for modern style crockery design, modern style dinner set designs, marble plates, designing ideas. So if you're watching this till end, firstly subscribe our channel Chef Food, and after that also hit the bell icon for every video notification that is not gonna miss to you. And also like the video if you like it and watch it till end, as it contains 70 different designing ideas about dinner set, about tea set designing ideas, modern style tea set, how to decorate your table in modern style to 2021, latest tea set ideas, tea set designing colors, tea set designs. In our channel Chef Food, you can see a lot of stuff related to recipes, Pakistani, Indian cuisine, continental Italian, Mexican dishes are also here for you people, and we can also make dishes according to your wishes, according to your demand. If you drop a comment, so we read it and make video for you according to your wishes. Your feedback is important for us, so don't forget to give us feedback. How's the video and what should be our next video topic? Various colors are used in this video, as some families like light color crockery, some like dark color, and both are in fashion every time. So you can see both type of crockery is shown that contains printed and plain designing ideas. So stay tuned to our channel Chef Food for more videos related to kitchen according to your crockery demand, according to your dining designs, kitchen ideas, kitchen decoration, and all it includes in our videos. So don't forget to give your feedback about this video, and also like our previous videos that contain very much information about newly styled wedding tea set designing ideas, and also the kitchen ideas, modern style 2021 kitchen ideas. So stay tuned to our channel Chef Food. Till there, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon. Bye bye.